let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my tips and tricks on how to get a nice juicy plump looking lip, because I know all of you or most of you out there Google how to look like you have lip filler or how to look like you have big lips. If you're one of those people who are like me, who love a good plump lip, then I'm gonna share with you my secrets and my little routine on when I wanna look like Kylie frickin' Jenner. So let's get into it.
Okay, to start, I'm taking my Lush lip scrub and exfoliating my lips with a dry finger on my dry lips, which will remove all the dead skin and improve circulation. What I love about these scrubs is that I can lick it off and it literally tastes like a mint cake pop. Also, maybe do it over the sink because I have sugar all over me now, but that's fine, we'll just go with it. I'm also just going to take a damp cloth to help remove all the excess, although I did lick some of it off because it tastes very scrumptious. But I just want to make sure I get everything off. Get yourself a dry toothbrush. Mine's clean, don't worry. I don't use this one for my teeth, but you can do whatever you want, girl. And stay inside your lip line so you don't create a rash effect around your mouth, because we just don't want that. So stay in your lip line and create that circulation, girl. I'm going to go ahead and take a damp washcloth and scrub off the excess dead skin again. I find this really helps to remove all the dead skin from the toothbrush. And then I'm going to flip it over, take the dry side, and just remove the dampness from my lips and give it one last little exfoliation moment. Now that we've removed half the layer of lip skin we were born with, we're going to replenish that bad boy with a little bit of oil. Personally, I like marula oil by The Ordinary, so I'm going to plop a little drop on my lips and smooth it in and give it a little massage, if you will. And then I'm going to go in with a lip balm to really seal the deal. I personally like to go in with my favorite lip balm, which is Bag Balm. I know this is a very uncommon lip balm, so you can definitely opt for an alternative. I know that the Laneige sleeping mask is very popular amongst the gals and the teens, so you can also use that because it is very hydrating as well. Pretty much any lip balm or lip glue will do the trick. I let all that juiciness sink in and then I go ham with the lip injection, plumping situation. You know what I'm saying? Everyone knows this gloss. It's fabulous. Just going with a plumping lip gloss. I personally love this one because it gives me a nice little red tint. I'm going to follow it up by my L'Oreal Plumping Lipstick. This is not needed unless you want an extra oompha to those lips. I'm going in with my lip liner. By the way, this is the Rimmel London in Eastend Snob, and it's a really good dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. I'm lining my lips fairly close to my natural lip line and then working my way out to build a bigger lip. The trick is to only overline the cupid's bow area and the middle part of the hunk of the bottom of your lip. Okay guys, I'm just going to demonstrate the technique with a nice little marker on this picture. When we overline our lips, we want to overline the part of the cupid's bow area, and then also the lower lip middle part. This will help to create a nice shadow. But we are going to keep it relatively natural and close to our real lip line when doing these outer corners here. You can overline to your liking on the cupid's bow area and the lower lip middle part, but we want to minimize excessive lining on the outer corners of our lips/mouth. You're going to want to take a lipstick that matches your natural lip color or whatever lip liners you've been using. I am taking the best lipstick ever, which is MAC's Velvet Teddy, and I am coating my lips with that. I don't need too much, but we are sealing the deal. And this is an amazing lip color. I highly recommend you guys try it out once quarantine is all over. It is spectacular. Last but certainly not least, I'm taking a holographic / sparkly lip gloss. Mine's from Marc Jacobs, and we are putting it on the center middle part of our lips to create a highlight effect and bring them forward. This will catch the light and really emphasize those big juicy lips. In case you're wondering what products I use, I will put them all down below in the description box for you guys to check out.
Alrighty guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, they are juicy and they are big and they are poppin'. I hope you enjoyed, and if you try this out, please let me know. I would love to hear your feedback, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!